Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. I hope you can hear me. We are having some mic difficulty here today. Of course, that's how that goes. Here we have for you a 2019 Kubota BX2380 series subcompact tractor, loader, belly mower package. Guys, this tractor has just 90 hours on it. It is a like new tractor. It is going to have the LA344 Swift Tack front loader under it. It is going to have the skid steer, quick couple bucket on the front, 48-inch with a bolt-on cutting edge. And for the deck, this is going to have a beautiful RCK 60-23BX, which is a 60-inch belly mower deck. This tractor is truthfully like new, very, very clean. I love stuff like this. This tractor does have the third function kit on it, and what it actually has, you have a button here you're going to push, and it uses an interrupter valve on the BX to allow you to push in and hold, and it stops your curl function and allows you to use that as your third function valve then for open and close on like a grapple or something of that nature. We're going to start you walking around this tractor, take you pull you around it, start it, run it for you, show you everything it's supposed to, just like we always do. We're going to open up the grill guard on this tractor. We're going to open up the hood. It's going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Tractor has just been fully serviced. All filters and oils have been changed. That is something we pride ourselves in, and we do go through everything. So you've got engine oil, both fuel, air filters, hydrostatic oil and filter has been changed. Hood is in very nice shape, not dinged or dented. Grill guard is like new, and again up front here it is going to have on it the flat or the Pioneer style couplings here for your attachment. So if you're going to put a grapple up here, power angle, snow plow, something of that nature, you can do that. 2-pin skid loader quick attach. You can interface with pallet forks, grapples, again snow plows, things of that nature. Up front, 48-inch bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge. Very, very nice condition. R4 tires that are like brand new, which they're again a 90-hour tractor should be. Rear tires are filled. The little pits on the tires are still there and brand new. 540 PTO, factory top link, category 1 3-point hitch. Again, 540 PTO, folding ROPS. Back here, you're gonna have a manual storage tray. The manuals are in here. We will put those in our office. SMV sign is complete, 4-way flashers. Underneath the mower deck, beautiful condition again. Blades excellent. Go ahead to the other side, Landen. You can stay over there. We're gonna have over here a selection of mid and rear or rear PTO. PTO engagement. You're gonna have your cup holder here for your beverage of choice. You'll have your cigarette lighter and just a little nice cubby hole to keep some pins and whatnot. Again, joystick loader control, up and down for the mower deck, high-low range. Again, you're going to have right here that push button and then your auxiliary hydraulic button right there. We're going to show you here hours, 90.9, so it will have 91 hours on it when you receive it. Park brake, hydrostat pedal forward and reverse. Obviously, the BX80 series is going to have a tilt steering wheel. Very nice suspension seat with dual armrest package. Current production tractor here, guys. We're going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. issues, no anything. We've serviced this one through it. It is a 90-hour tractor, guys. Any questions? 814-658-3066. It's like 22 grand to put one of these in its place as it sits there. Guys, you won't find a nicer, cleaner one. 90 hours, tractor, loader, belly mower package. Any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much. Checking out Mark Supply Company.